Choose a suitable environment. Avoid applying the film in a room with air circulation. Close the windows to minimize dust particles. Clean your hands thoroughly. Wash your hands with soap and water to remove any dirt or oils that could transfer to the screen. Dry your hands completely before proceeding. Prepare your workspace. Place your phone on a stable, flat surface, preferably with a mat or cloth to prevent it from slipping. Use a wet wipe. Remove any stubborn dirt or smudges from the phone screen using a wet wipe. Dry the screen completely. Use a microfiber cloth to thoroughly dry the screen. Ensure there are no remaining water droplets or moisture. Inspect the screen. Check the screen from different angles under bright light to ensure it's completely clean and free of dust particles. Even a tiny speck of dust can cause air bubbles or misalignment during application. If you notice any dust, use a dust removal sticker to carefully remove it. Identify the layers. The TPU film typically consists of 4 layers. Remove the bottom layer. Carefully peel off the bottom protective layer from the TPU film, ensuring the screen remains clean and dust-free. Position the film. Align the film with the phone screen, ensuring the cutouts for the camera, speakers, and sensors match precisely. Gently lay the film onto the screen. Adhere the film. The second layer acts as a positioning layer and allows the film to adhere slightly to the screen without being fully bonded. If you need to adjust the position, gently lift and reposition the film. Locate the third layer divider. Identify the line running down the center of the film. This marks the division of the third protective layer. Partial removal of the third layer. Peel off 1/2 of the third protective layer, leaving the other half still attached to the film. Squeegee out air bubbles. Using a squeegee card or bank card, begin in the center of the exposed half of the screen and apply firm, even pressure as you move the card outwards towards the edges. This will push any trapped air bubbles out of the film. Repeat the process on the other half of the screen. Discard the top layer. Peel off the final protective layer from the top of the film to reveal the fully applied TPU film. Additional tips: if you encounter air bubbles after applying the film, don't panic. Use the squeegee card to gently press them out. They may also disappear on their own within a few days. New generation TPU films have excellent self-healing properties. Minor scratches or small air bubbles may disappear or heal automatically over time. Enjoy your protected phone with the new TPU film. Enter the website address Polartec online in your browser. Find Polartec Australia. Enter your phone model in the search bar. For example, if my model is Samsung S23, enter S23 TPU. This will help you find your specific model. Based on your model and preferred style, we generally recommend HD clear film, which is the most popular style. Then click on Shop, enter your details to complete the purchase.